For nearly 70 years, Sharpe Mixers has provided liquid mixing solutions by manufacturing high-quality stainless steel portable, top-entering, side-entering mixers and specialized process equipment for the asphalt, pulp and paper, chemical, water management, oil and gas, agricultural, pharmaceutical, and sanitary industries. Sharpe Mixers was founded in 1953 in Seattle, Washington, and in 2014, Hayward Gordon acquired Sharpe for its extensive experience, industry knowledge, and wide range of mixer designs. We're an engineering firm that designs mixers built to meet your specifications. Sharpe Mixers are manufactured in our Halton Hills, Ontario plant and Adelanto, California plant, offering our clients coast-to-coast convenience. With a commitment to quality in engineering, manufacturing, and service, Sharpe is sure to meet the needs of your application with a reliable, efficient mixer. Everything from the impeller design to the shaft seals has been engineered and tested to provide the most efficient and dependable mixers. We are your perfect process partner.